Hello everybody, I thought I'd make a quick video to show you the new flooring that we have installed in our flat in London. Now look at it, isn't it gorgeous? We had to redo the flooring because the old one was more than 20 years old and very creaky. Now the new one, well, when you first look at it, it looks like wood, doesn't it? Natural grain, beautiful. And let's just squat down a little bit. You can see the beautiful textures, wonderfully done. Feels like wood, sounds like wood. Everything looks like wood. Extremely hardy. Is it a 10-year or 15-year warranty? Such a beautiful floor. We brought some friends to take a look and they were quite sure it was wood. Yeah, and guess what? It is not wood. Woohoo! It is vinyl. And I wanted to show you in this video what the strip looks like. It looks like this. This is the strip. Yep. That's what the vinyl strip looks like. Can you see it? Yeah. Woohoo! Okay. One entire strip. So they have laid it and glued it together. It just looks like this. It's not very thick. So what the floor guys have done is to also put an insulation layer below, right, to add to the insulation and the sound protection. Yep, and they left us a whole chunk of these because obviously it comes in when you order them, there will be leftovers after you install. So we asked them to leave the spares with us so that we can, whenever one day we need to fix certain parts of the flat, it is easier because we have spares. Beautiful stuff, look. It's definitely not wood, right? But it looks like it, feels like it, and extremely hardy. You can be dragging furniture around. Try not to, but doesn't leave a scratch at all. Awesome, bye-bye.